Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how we can add music and how we can add multiple music in VideoShow. So what you want to do, you just click on a sound and then you have sound and multi-music. When I'm going to click on a music, I'm going to, I don't know, choose this one. And you can add like how many seconds you want, it's really up to you. Let's add like this. And you can play with it. Okay. Then what you want to do is to add multi-music. And let's close this one and let's add this kind of music. Okay. And now what we want to do is go here on the beginning of our video, press plus again, Winter House. And let's play the whole video now. Opa, sorry. So this is how we can add multiple music. And what I'm going to show you now is really cool thing. You can go, it'll also add sound effects, or go to edit and then go to, where was it? Clip edit, was it? I'm looking for something, but I can't find it right now. Yeah, I can't find it. I don't know, where was it? Filter? No. Effects? No. Yeah, settings, music fade. So you can also turn on and turn off music in and out. So that's pretty cool. And that's kind of it. Thank you everybody very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can support and subscribe. I would really thank for that. And also write me in the comments what else would you like to learn, and I will make a video on it. Thank you everybody. Have a great day and see you in the next video.